Hey Parkview, I'm Miss Thomas and I teach food science. In food science, you're going to learn all about food and what happens to it when it's cooking, how you cook it, what it's used for in our bodies and how it keeps our bodies healthy. And we also talk about the history of food and how food has changed over time. We talk about innovators and pioneers in food and the food industry. We also look at our senses and how those affect our food choices. We do lots of projects, lots of very hands-on experiments with food. Some you can eat, some you can't. We have cooking labs once a week. Every now and then you'll get to have free lab where you get to choose what you want to cook and the kitchen is yours for the class period. We have a cook-off that we do every year, which is a competition with protein. You get to create your own dish, and we have teachers and coaches, administrators come in and judge your dish. Food science is also a fourth science credit, so that really helps. And it's a really fun class. We have lots of fun, lots of hands-on projects, and it's a great time.